guys, today we're driving a 2020 VW Tiguan from Volkswagen of Newport Richey. I absolutely love how spacious this car is, seating up to 7 people comfortably. A 184 horsepower engine will get you and your family where they need to go. And now we're hitting the road to Caddy's on the beach on Treasure Island. A great beach bar with amazing seafood and drinks with a view. Buckle up, it's going to be a giant adventure.
Hi, my name is Rick. Welcome to Caddy's on the Beach in Treasure Island. We're a family-friendly restaurant. We keep it very upbeat and positive. We got something for everybody here, for adults and kids alike. It really is one of the most perfect venues you can come to. We got cornhole, giant beer pong games, delicious seafood, refreshing cocktails. We got private cabanas out here, communal picnic tables. Man, we actually own the beach here. We have 2 full city blocks of golf front property. It is such a destination because we have over 300 beach chairs out here that we do complimentary beach chair and umbrellas for everybody. You can walk up to our beach bar or our tiki bar, come and get a great cocktail. You can walk it all the way out into the water. Some of our most popular items you're talking about, like our mahi tacos, are delicious, lightly blackened. Delicious homemade pico on those, nice cheese blend. Yeah, we have a lot of variety of options. If you're not a seafood guy, our Caddy's Reuben is to die for. People say that's one of the best Reubens they've had across the nation anywhere. So, I mean, we're pretty tequila heavy here. Everybody loves our margaritas. We have some great Cadillac margaritas and Rocky margaritas. Also, you know, we sell a lot of rum, obviously. You're doing a lot of frozen drinks, pina coladas, strawberry daiquiris. And then we have some great like specialty cocktails, like some of our own special mojitos, some golf sunsets, and then honestly, our bucket drinks are some of the most popular drinks we have. We do these Malibu buckets, and the Caddy's Golf Cooler is our #1 seller by far. Everybody wants to come out on Caddy's Beach, drink a Caddy's drink. It's not just a spot that you come and have a meal, just a quick sit-down meal. I mean, when you're here, you're planning to stay for a while. You make a whole day out of it because, you know, we have so much going on.
Our giant adventure continues.
And living in the Sunshine State means adventure all year long.
Your auto giant will put you on the road to the best spots. Mention Taste and See, and I'm going to give you $1,000 in bonus cash. Here you go.
Let's hit the road.
It'll be giant.